Hello everybody. I hope you're doing well. This is Milad with another video creating another flowchart like these cool animated flowcharts here. For this video also I'd like to create another flowchart related to this kind of software engineering concepts. So here we have what load balancers do, what caches do, microservices, and what queue does. Now for this video I'd like to create another one for the concept of CDNs. So first of all, let me search for CDNs or CDN. So as you can see, it's a content delivery network. It's a group of geographically distributed service. So if I try to look for a nice image, so this one looks cool. So basically the idea is that we have a main server and we have some edge servers all over the world, and then the data can be transmitted faster and more efficient. So I think I want to go with this design here, something similar to that. So first I need a DB, so I think I can use the DB already is here for that. So simply I can just copy one of these boxes and paste it over here. And let me change the color of the border. First of all, I'd like to make it like be, not sure, whatever I choose, it's gonna be the theme for this. So I wanna go with pink. It's a nice color, maybe a bit lighter. And then let me copy the title. What CDNs do. Let me zoom a little bit. So if you want to learn how to work with Flowboard and all the shortcuts, let me know in the description so I can, in the next videos, I can explain more things and in more details. At the moment I just want to, create the design and I don't want to talk that much. So now let's grab one of these databases here. Also we can search for more icons. I usually use flat icon. So here I can simply search for database and I can grab one of these black and white flowcharts databases, because I can then add a background to that. Just drag and drop it over here. Hold Ctrl and scroll to and drag to make it smaller. So this is going to be the main, and I'd like to use one of these cool circle animations. Or maybe this one. Yeah, so the database is behind the circle shape, so to bring it in the front, one trick is just cut it and paste it here. Okay, now let's select both and then replace. So it's quite cool, I think. Now we need some smaller DBs, but I can use another. I want to go with this one maybe. Let me change the border color to be pink, and also change the flow color to be pink and dark. So when I move it over here, it looks quite nice. Can make it smaller, copy and paste it over here. Now I can copy this, paste it over here, paste it over here and here. Okay, now we need some users here, so look for an icon like user. Maybe this one. I could grab one of these. Let me go with draw cool uses. Let's use different icons. For instance, I can grab one of these GL icons and also another man icons. So very well. Now put it over here. What I'd like to do is add one of these icons to that and place it on top of this, and now it looks quite cool. I can change I think it's good enough. So let's create another one for face, cut it and paste it over here, place it in the right place. So if it's smaller, make it a bit bigger. And great. So I can copy that and paste it here. Make it a bit bigger, smaller, different sizes. Copy, paste here. Copy, paste here, paste here. Copy and paste here, paste here. Okay, now it's time to create that. Let me move it a little bit upper. I want to make some room for this flyboard icon as well, so I can put it here. Okay, I think it's nice enough. So now let's create the flows. I want to use this dot flow. And so I'd like to select these two, cut them and paste them over here to be on top of the flows. Very well. Now let's change the color of the flows. I want to go with pink, and for the dots I would like to use black, or yeah, narrow one is better. Narrow. Nice, I think it's good enough. Then change this as well. I can copy and paste, but well, it's cool enough. Good enough, actually. Okay, how does it look? I think it looks good. And now I want to use this flow here. Make it narrower. Create all the flows. Now make it narrow, narrow, narrow. Narrow. So we can move this a little bit over here. So I can make these just dark brown or black, basically. And I like the red as the color of the flow. So let me copy, paste another one here. Maybe copy one of Okay, I think we're done with this. I can also give it a nice animation. Or maybe just put it as pink. It's better. Dark pink, like this. Also ls type here main db or main data, or regional is better. Regional data. make it black is good enough. Make it a bit smaller. Add a pulse animation to that. Copy this and paste it here. Change it to be edge data. Copy paste. Well, let's add a nice animation to that. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Make it a bit bigger. Okay. And add another text type CDN. Okay, that's it I think for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video creating a new flowchart, what CDNs do. I'll be back with another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.